Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Ever wondered why communication plays such a crucial role in the business world? Let's embark on a journey to understand the significance of communication in professional environments. In business, effective communication is the key to success. It's the bridge that connects people, ideas, and results. It's the glue that binds the team and the force that drives progress. Now, let's dive deeper. Business English, specifically, is the language of progress, the language of leadership. It's like a secret code that, once mastered, can open doors to incredible opportunities. In this realm, key phrases play an instrumental role. They are the magic words that can make your expressions clear, precise, and impactful. They enable you to articulate your ideas effectively, negotiate assertively, and lead confidently. So, are you ready to decode this secret language? Mastering these phrases can be your stepping stone to successful business interactions. Join us as we delve into the world of business English, one key phrase at a time. Imagine walking into a boardroom full of potential partners. What's your first move? Picture this. You're Michael, an ambitious entrepreneur. You've just entered a room filled with investors for your startup. Nervous energy buzzes in the air, but you're prepared. Good morning, everyone. I'm Michael, the founder of Tech Innovations. You confidently introduce yourself. A chorus of "Nice to meet you, Michael," echoes around the room. Now let's dissect this situation. The greeting, "Good morning," sets a cordial tone. Using "everyone" acknowledges all present, fostering inclusivity. Introducing yourself by your first name and position gives a personal yet professional touch. The response, "Nice to meet you," is a polite acknowledgement of the introduction. These phrases are not just words. They are tools to establish respect, display confidence, and create a positive first impression. They are your keys to effective professional interactions. Remember, a strong start can set the tone for the rest of the conversation. Picture this: you're leading a project and need to delegate tasks. How would you do it? Imagine you're a manager and you've got a team to guide. You might start by saying, "I'd appreciate it if you could take care of the finance report, Alice." This phrase is polite yet assertive, showing respect for Alice's capabilities. Or perhaps you're giving complex instructions. You could say, "John, could you please draft the marketing proposal?" Start with a summary, then detail our strategy, and finally, our projected outcomes. This not only assigns the task, but provides a clear roadmap for John to follow. And what if you need to ask for clarification? A simple, "Tom, could you elaborate on the sales forecast?" is both professional and efficient. Remember, it's always better to ask than to assume. The key is to be clear, concise, and courteous. With these phrases, you'll be able to delegate tasks effectively and foster a productive work environment. Clear instructions can eliminate confusion and streamline the process. You're in a high-stakes negotiation. How do you convince the other party to see things your way? Picture this. You're at the table with a potential client, negotiating a lucrative deal. Your task? To persuade them to see the value in your proposal. This is where mastery of certain phrases can be your secret weapon. Start with a softening statement like, "I understand your point of view." This shows empathy and opens up the conversation. Then proceed with your counter-argument. However, consider this perspective. This phrase allows you to present your argument without sounding confrontational. To handle objections, use the phrase, "I see where you're coming from, but let's look at the bigger picture." This encourages the other party to think beyond their initial objections. In the end, summarizing your points can help solidify your position. Use phrases like, "To sum up, our proposal offers," to drive home your key points. Remember, the right words can tip the scales in your favor during negotiations. You've got a game-changing idea. How do you present it to get everyone on board? Imagine this. You're at a business meeting, and it's your turn to present a proposal. You begin by saying, "I'd like to propose a new approach." This phrase sets the stage and signals that you're about to introduce something novel. As you delve into the details, you might say, "The crux of my proposal is," to emphasize the main point. This phrase helps you to ensure your listeners grasp the most critical aspects of your idea. To further stress the importance of your proposal, you could add, "The key advantage of this approach is." This phrase not only highlights the benefits, but also persuades your audience of the value your idea brings. Finally, to engage your listeners and invite discussion, you might say, "I'm eager to hear your thoughts on this." This phrase shows you value their input and are open to dialogue. Presenting your ideas effectively can make all the difference. You've now learned some essential phrases for various business situations. So, how do you put them to use? Let's take a look back at the key phrases we've explored and delve into how you can seamlessly incorporate them into your daily business communication. We've journeyed through greetings and introductions, requests and instructions, negotiation and persuasion techniques, presenting ideas and proposals, and handling meetings and discussions. With each stop, we've gathered a wealth of phrases that can enhance your professional discourse. Remember when we discussed greetings and introductions? The phrases like, "Pleased to meet you," "How can I assist you today?" and "I'd like to introduce my colleague" have set the stage for positive interactions. They are your icebreakers, your first impressions. Use them to establish a warm and welcoming environment. Then we moved on to making requests and giving instructions. Phrases like, "Could you kindly," "Would it be possible to," and "Please ensure that" help maintain a polite yet assertive tone, ensuring that your requests are heard and your instructions are clear. We also delved into the art of negotiation and persuasion. Here, phrases like, "Let's find a middle ground," "I see your point, but," and "Could we consider," are your tools to navigate complex discussions and reach mutually beneficial outcomes. Presenting ideas and proposals was our next stop. Phrases such as "Our main goal is," "I propose that we," and "This leads us to," can help you structure your thoughts, emphasize key points, and guide your audience through your proposal. Finally, we tackled handling meetings and discussions. Phrases like, "Let's circle back to," "Can we take a moment to discuss?" and, in summary, facilitate smooth transitions between topics, keep the conversation focused, and ensure everyone is on the same page. To put these phrases to use, practice integrating them into your daily business communication. Role play, write mock emails, or rehearse presentations. Familiarize yourself with each phrase and its context until they become second nature. Remember, effective communication is key to success in the business world. Your journey doesn't stop here. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep communicating.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level C1. Value proposition. Value proposition, a statement that explains what benefits a product or service provides to customers. Example, crafting a clear value proposition can help attract more clients to your business. Stakeholder. Stakeholder, any individual or group that has an interest in the success of a business. Example, effective communication with stakeholders is essential for project success. Synergy. Synergy, the combined effect that is greater than the sum of individual efforts. Example, our departments need to work together to create synergy and achieve our goals. Leverage. Leverage, using resources or advantages to achieve a specific outcome. Example, we should leverage our market position to negotiate better terms with suppliers. Scalability. Scalability, the ability of a business to grow and manage increased demand. Example, our software solution offers great scalability to meet future business needs.